bitimi aye nana do bitimi aye de Ghana embassy wo ho empu omukura no ede na wo beye ukọ no ma rescue workers ni so omu ye omudwuma ubetimi akofo so say we have to see Atsu by force there be nyina bompa say Atsu beba sabi se wo Atsu e wo akoma so a wo dona enye this time and I'll be yes pettiness and it's in who we for some of your gullible supporters in so opposed na say church on kwase asem. This is not the time to say we be blame bi nyina ye bompa say nyame nye yenu abem anadom at least fatu ko to dream say wo S.Gyamfi nka be de what I say oti wa wo kasa bibia na wo pese wo be ye ne politics sabi Ghana ho na wo te no enye Ghana ho na wo te na wo ye wedding chinchirinchi kese enye the same Ghana edi adwuma ehina onya sika wo de yes a wedding de ye ana oba no na etua ho dem stop those things sane man shabufu sa kind of politics na shabufu asemaba arehosem si umfa busua no the trauma that the family is going through fatu akoma so what I say be in the shoes of the family nesu nyansa obi ko kan ezu unim nyansa so unim nyansa you will not even write even guy here or not throw black someone no punu e ka say just saying keke so what I say udi wako control and as usual your gullible supporters and so egu ase and nanado there he careless nanado what can the president do? How many African countries and how many presidents in the world who say asemi buy omako ehwa na omasoma private unim kofu egu on unim other nationals unim other nationalities ewo eho atuyenche mato omo how many people know who say omasoma omonko for so obonko what I say how many African countries know who say omasoma apart from European countries or Europe cranya country biana a rescue kofo how many private rescuers in the world government delegation and government and they need experts. Yes, 15 years no ako say yensuma private no monko just omokwa yes a private will be said Turkish national officials and abusuafo asema wo kan odwen ho ansa na wo kan one e say Turkish officials bitimi akose ye hu sa atwehye hakra ye man director na oka atwu hu na ye hwehwe no o ye hini onye tekini nsem hunu kwa ne yesoso masa jai sa sabi jimisem no na eni abre asem wi eyani brisem there's a lives involved ewa hanum what I say udi unsu nyansa no ada bia nkwase asem nko anu abetena ho no aka na as usual the gullible supporters you good perfectly said no almost so sem hunu kwa ya do me church am baby a musha mutiemi bia. All right, so we share video ya me ya we share screen so I made 2 Facebook posts and to back from S.Gyamfi and back from Ghana, the Black Star of Africa. In fact, social media na me hu Ghana the Black Stars of Africa intino omo de metai ehwe omo me follow omo niema omo ye the projecting Ghana the omo the post be beto so ma men kan enchel omo choro ni say one of the saddest aspects of the Christian Atsu case is that the Turkish officials also lost their family. They won't leave their family and look for our countrymen. We have heard of some of these narrations from some of the Turkish officials. Maybe in view of Christian Atsu contribution to Ghana Blasters, a private rescue team could have been hired by both GFA and the government to look for him. Just saying. Okay, almost see. In fact, me almost me no man because I say ma omo kanubiana unim about diplomacy and rescue sabi sa nsema omo private rescue ni hwan and then some crow mo kan kranya accurate say Turkish officials will leave omo nya omo crow from any true because any person from no how would you know kra say nipa ebia wo mu so ye live a mo rescue no o ye African ni ana o ye hini ena baby a Atsu omo no resident na dan na no omo wo mu no omo patche say dan no flats nko ewo mu ye about 250 flats and one building enti no sabi they are rescuing people la untimi hu porting dan a collapse or demolish. How can you know say ha take it phone kwa no how we take it phone of course omo doso but in panso or dan mo nya take it phone it is hard dey no mtwe eti no me wo na menu aba bi send the bread say post na ohu ho no S.Gyamfi akwa post no mo hwe de S.Gyamfi ne so o fire no na o chroye one of the saddest the same thing na me kan kire no maybe onu kra de wan kase just for saying or can say maybe in view of Christian Atsu or can ni nyina no ye Ghana the person me can we kire S.Gyamfi who is so insensitive. S.Gyamfi na your friend is saying na oye no ho se onim nyansa nyina no mpese me ka che S.Gyamfi se enye bibia na sebi ye de ye politics enye bibia na ye de ye politics wo ye mani S.Gyamfi you are so heartless and so insensitive the bia me ka che say boy we ya na microphone so ne so na oye nyansa ni ko ka asem kre no omode enema tago na wotan no na say mentan na nyehwe nse hu na ya odi no eno na mempe because this is a matter sabi se wunim nyansa se hu say you cannot send private rescue workers to the ramp site take you for no sabi atrenchemsi wo baby na so obi yeso oba beboa what I say you have to pass through diplomatic means on sorry keke countries are called like UK, Holland, any idea or more bono. Oma sorry keke say you have rescue workers. Naso ubia say or the private rescue team will call a baby. I didn't see now. How can they even work? Unim say a sensitive nipa aqua share a diance. Say you know. Said the bear be or no won't come. Until be na won't come no. Ofosi SMO be a keke. Sometimes so kasa. Enye bibia na politics and so wunya koma wo mu say one this issue is very sensitive and two for family no eto akoma so ne hu say de tie what I say o kasa ese wo dwen enye say obi wano na wo de is a political yi a wo penti no na wo de beto na ko he post na say Jimmy for na omusu nim nyansa no na na do this na do e de no
so yara kan nyira wie akasa new patriotic party modi ba ya djuma no na akafa so Fotoso, and that's one about there, and that's one about there. Young Kakre or 6 or 2-4 to MPP delegate. Choose a candidate who will be accepted by Ghanaians. Hey, Mira. That's a thing in Yamisha, and now question, and now question, and now question. That's a thing in Yakwada, MPP for Muti. Or say, I have put 2 hours in my MPP for. Choose a candidate who will be accepted by Ghanaians. Eh? Maza, Uti. The Asante has urged supporters of the new patriotic party to embark on the clean campaign devoid of false language. The Asante of 2-4 to 22nd has urged delegates in the new patriotic party MPP to be circumspect